First-person pronouns, a comprehensive overview. The English language has quite a number of pronouns, and this article will be looking at the first-person pronouns of the English language. But before that, a quick review of pronouns. Pronouns are words that replace nouns or nominal elements, e.g. noun phrases, noun clauses, gerunds, participles, etc. in clauses or sentences. First-person pronoun refers to the pronouns that represent the first-person point of view in statements or exchanges. That is, they are pronouns that represent the speaker in sentences. First-person pronouns can be classified into case and number, as you would see in the foregoing. Case. Case refers to the functions words perform in sentences or structures, whether as subject, object or complement. First-person pronouns have a number of elements that indicate the three types of cases, namely, subjective, objective and possessive case. Subjective case refers to first-person pronouns that function, just like nouns, as subjects, initiators or performers of actions, in structures such as I and we. For example, I am different. We are going to the movies. I will see you. We are coming home. Objective case refers to first-person pronouns that function as objects, recipients of actions, in structures such as me and us. For example, he knows me. They like us. You can trust me. He ratted on us. Possessive case refers to first-person pronouns that typically indicate the status of possession in structures such as mine and ours. For example, the book is mine. This house is ours. Mine is a fine horse. Ours is the will of God. Possessive cases are capable of occurring both at subject and object positions depending on emphasis. Number. Number, here, refers to the singularity of plurality of the first-person pronouns. That is, it refers to the first-person pronouns that are either singular or plural in form and function. The singular first-person pronouns are the following: I, me, and mine. Their plural first-person pronouns are the following: we, us, and ours. So these are all the first-person pronouns in the English language. See you soon.